What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today is the week 15 video for the $100 a week investing challenge on the Robinhood app. And today we basically updated one position. That was pretty much it for the week. Let's get into it. All right, before we get in the video, there's gonna be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, it's all good. And you stand a chance to get in a stock like Slack, Uber, Beyond Meat, GE, Ford, Energy Transfer, and many more. And the best part about it, it's completely free. You don't pay a dime to buy or sell stocks. Options are also included. Please use that link, it'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. Okay, here we are on the homepage of the Robinhood web platform. We're gonna go ahead and jump into our update this week. But before we get into the update, I want to say a thank you to Ty B for using that link in the description to sign up for Robinhood. You got a free stock and I got a free stock. My free stock was NEO, which when I opened this stock, it was $3.20. Then they reported earnings and now it's $2.06. So, but Ty B, if you're watching this, let me know what you got. I'm curious. Hopefully it wasn't NEO. Let's go back to the home screen. The stock we got in, or that we didn't get in, that we're already in, that we added to, that was on a dip, that we had to add to because it was on a dip. So, but we got 3 more shares of ticker symbol MO Altria. And as you can see, this stock has continued to dip. It's continued to dip off the news of the merger not happening, Juul getting banned. There's not a lot of good news around Altria. Everybody's jumping ship, but that's when I take a look at it and I examine things and I see, hey, this company isn't in that bad a shape. So, and they pay a super good dividend, over 7%, 8% now. But yeah, we'll look at it. I think the last time we saw this, my average cost was 45. So got it down a couple bucks into the 43. Got 9 shares. Average cost 43.65. We're down 8%. Probably gonna average down some more. Maybe. Depends. We look at this chart. It was down at the low today around 39 something, 39.49. I think it's gonna hover around the $39, $40 range. So if you're in it and you're down some, it's time to dollar cost average down because I believe it's gonna come back. I think the stuff with Juul, with the lung disease from vaping, I think they're gonna find out it wasn't from regular nicotine cartridges. It was from cartridges that were stretched with different chemicals, one of them including like vitamin E. The whole thing with e-cigarettes is there's so many different makers, so many different e-cigarettes out there. To be able to blame Juul as the sole person and start every state starts suing Juul is crazy to me. Vaping's here to stay. Vaping is a craze. I don't see it going anywhere. I think Juul might have targeted teenagers with these different flavors, but let me tell you one thing. These flavors didn't start with Juul. These flavored e-cigarette things, cartridges, liquids, have been around for years. So you can't pin that to Juul. It's been there. And I think they're gonna find out that Juul is not in the wrong when it comes to these certain chemicals that are causing this lung disease. And I'm gonna end that right here. We're gonna jump back to the home screen. Okay, here we are back on the home screen. I'm gonna go ahead and briefly run over the positions just to see where they're doing, starting with NRZ. NRZ, as you can see, we'll do the 3 months. It's been on a steady climb from that double bottom that I called out. Steady climb, average cost 15.10. We're up almost 3% right now. I plan on staying in this position. Moving on. The next position is Vici. Vici is another one. It's an experimental REIT. They own gaming resort type properties. I did a video on it. Go check it out. I got an average cost of $22.01. I got 13 shares. I'm up right now for almost 4.5%. So moving on. Next one is AMD. This is like my growth stock. It hasn't been growing lately. I've got 10 shares at an average cost of $30.37. This is a company I believe in, so I will be adding more. I was on the fence about staying in this just because I saw a better opportunity, but I'm not getting out of AMD. I'm staying in AMD. I'm down 3% right now. So this is an opportune time to add some more shares. Moving on. Next one is ticker symbol MO, Altria. We already went over Altria. The next one is NEO. Thank you, Ty B, again for using that link. And please, if you get a chance, drop a comment. Let me know what you got. And the last one is going to be Run. This is like another growth stock. It's a trend that we're in. So this is one I plan on adding to. We got a little dip here the past few days. And I'll probably add some more. Right now we're down almost 3%, but we've been down as far as like 12, 13% with this stock. So it's been on a run lately. It kind of pulled back. This is probably gonna be a perfect opportunity. If you're in it and you want to add some more, grab some more now. Like I said, 20 shares, average cost $17.41. And that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. We'll look here for the day. We're up $5. Not much, but it's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe, hit that like button, and smash that bell for future notifications. Thank you for watching.